Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's sauce, we'll be making a low-carb Worcestershire sauce. Some low-carb recipes have Worcestershire sauce as a consumable ingredient, which is fine in small amounts. But when moderate amounts are called for, it'll increase the overall total net carb dramatically. Let me show you what I mean. A popular brand has its serving size as 1 teaspoon, which only has 1 net carb. But when a recipe requires a tablespoon, or even a quarter cup, it adds quite a bit of net carbs and sugar to your overall net carb count. The Worcestershire sauce recipe we'll be making today will be just as tasty as the store-bought, but with only a fraction of the carbs. Without the heat on, add a half a cup of apple cider vinegar to a saucepan. Add a bit of water, some soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, a touch of liquid smoke, some ground ginger, ground mustard, some onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, a liquid sugar substitute equal to 3 tablespoons of regular sugar. We'll finish off with a couple of whole cloves. Give a mix with a whisk and turn the heat to medium-high. Let come to a medium boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let simmer 2 to 3 minutes to allow the flavors to come together, stirring occasionally. Turn the heat off and let cool just a bit. Strain the mix by pouring through a strainer. Add the sauce to a storage container and store for later use. There you have it, folks, my low-carb Worcestershire sauce recipe. A wonderful low-carb replacement to a high-carb store-bought counterpart. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.